Yo, what's going on? This is Ed Campos right here, aka Rhyme Escalante, here with another tip for Workflow Wednesday, Workflow Wellness Wednesday to keep you well, get in that computer, get out of the matrix. So I want to show you my favorite shortcut. One of my favorites is called text replacement on your iPhone. You got to go to your settings, and then you got to scroll down when you get to General, right here in the middle there. So you go to General. Then you've got to go to keyboard, which is down by the date and time. Go to keyboard, and then you're going to go to text replacement right here. And then you're going to look at all these text replacements that you have right here. So I don't know if you can see, I have at right here being my email address. Because if you think about all these things that you type all the time. So, right, instead of typing my email address, I'm going to go to my text message and I'm just going to say at, and when you type that in, at, now you see that my Gmail came up down there and I can just click it and then send it. So everywhere that works, I can type in at. If you use other shortcuts, I have my other email address from my county office at K, so that's a different one. So I could do at K, and you can see that's a different county office email address, and that can come up, which it kind of disappeared, but then I can select it, and then boom, that saves me a lot of time. Like, how many times do I enter this? And now think about other things that you type all the time, right? Maybe your Venmo or something like that. So I think mine is at star VMO, and I put in a link that goes to my Venmo account really quick so that I could just shoot some money. Hey, I'll use some money, star VMO, star PPL, right? Another use is someone, let me go to, like, let's say I was at a conference recently, there's hella hashtags here. Like, we were at Google headquarters, right? A little flex, doing a Google CS First conference, and they had all these hashtags and they had all these accounts. Well, when I send that tweet out, right, I don't want to uh, type all that stuff in, so I could just create some tweet, but I first need to set up a text replacement. So I'm going to set up a text replacement in here. I'm going to add a new one, go to plus. This phrase is going to be all of that stuff that I want in there, all the hashtags and those accounts that I want to tag. And then I want to tag it like hashtag GSF, which is Google uh, I can't spell, GCSF, Google CS First, right? So every time I type that, then I could like share out stuff from that day, and I could say this was a dope workshop, right? And then I just go at GCSF, and that should not at, hashtag GCSF, and then that goes in there, and then boom, I've got all that right there. Save me hella time. So the last thing I want to show you is that this also works if you have a Mac and you set up these text replacements in your MacBook and you're typing an email. You could use these same keyboard shortcuts here, right? So I can say, hey, we had dinner last night. Yo, you said you were going to kick me that money. Here's my Venmo, and I go star VMO, and then boom. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you plan on using it. Peace.